Now we're going to show you how to assemble the unit from right to left instead of left to right. As you can tell, we have already pulled the yellow clips. This is something you will need to do now. Once the yellow clips have been pulled, you're going to want to take off this outside manifold. You're going to want to take off your serial port. You're going to want to take off your fitting here. And you're going to take off your fittings here and here. Now that you disassemble a unit, now we have to reassemble it so that now it's a right to left. To do that, as you noted, we have to change the serial port. It now needs to go to the other side. But when we do this, we need to rotate it in the proper configuration. Now you're going to insert it like before, noticing that this clip is now facing the wall. You're going to want to remove that clip at this stage in order to be able to bring it to the front. Go ahead and bring that to the front. That would be your proper installation. Then you're going to take the manifold that you had laying down and you're going to install it into the serial port, noticing that the flow comes out of the top, goes down, and back in the bottom, creating the new flow of the unit. You're going to go ahead and then install the MIP in the bottom inlet. You're going to install the fitting with the gauge in the top outlet. You can now see that we are right to left. Go ahead and insert your caps. Rotate. Make sure they're flush, you'll fill them in, and go ahead and install all your pens. That simple.